So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create assignment rule on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and log into your account right here, and after that select this profile icon and now choose this Access Zoho CRM. Now select this settings icon and go with this option. Now you have to select this button right here called Create Assignment Rule. Now enter these details, which is selecting your module. Let's say I want to go with leads. Type your rule name, let's say Alexa, and write your description about your assignment rule. And after typing your description and filling all of these details, you have to select this button right here called Next. And after that you have to select these settings also. The first one said to which records you want to apply this rule on, so you can select from these two options. And the second option say so after choosing that you have to select to which record you want to assign this rule. And after selecting your category, you just need to select would you like to check your user availability before assigning, so you can choose between yes or no. So after selecting all of these settings, you just need to click on Save Rule Entry, and after that now you have successfully created your assignment rule on Zoho CRM platform. So guys, that's how you can able to create your assignment rule on Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.